Daehan opens up quickly with a right to Tommy Lee's head. That is 3 unanswered points by Daehan. This does not look like the same Tommy Lee that we saw in the North American Championship.